Good evening, philosophers. Here my revised paper from my philosophical research entitled Acting Morally, so that a review of the literature reveals a gap in my thesis. Susie Seifert acknowledges that the mystery of evil lies beyond the full grasp of human reason. Thus, I ask, is acting morally itself a mystery born from the freedom of the human will? To this, I argue that the immorality of man obscures the goodness of God and leaves humanity drowning in agony. First, a person may choose to lie in order to deceive. Many people fabricate lies about themselves, either to gain acceptance or to protect their image, leading them to live in falsehood. Second, evildoers indeed exist in humanity. Immorality has become an increasing crisis in the world, evident in acts such as murder, bullying, and deception of innocent lives. Third, though we know what is wrong, we still act upon it. There are many ways of behaving that blind us to reality. This blindness hinders us from saying the good while allowing the bad to prevail. Objection to this position include the following. Some argue that a person's self-presentation aims to impress others and impress authentic identity to an audience. Two, others claims that despite humanity's deep-rooted inclination toward evil, moral perfection remains achievable. Third, another values that moral dilemmas arise primarily risky situations that demand confident and decision making. In response, I contend that first lying is linked lower system and negative effects which in turn drive individuals toward further immorality. Second, the actions of evildoer are not illusion or mere fabrication, but genuine manifestation of a personal moral capacity within the real world. Finally, motivated ignorance contributes to the absence of acknowledge and sustains an equal moral relationship among people. In conclusion, the world may appear beautiful, yet behind its beauty lies something strange and hidden, the mystery of morality and immorality. Through the gift of free will, humans can create goodness or cause suffering. These unavoidable circumstances reveal the painful and chaotic dimension of human freedom. That's all, philosophers, and good evening to all. Thank you.